Hello everyone, I am out again flying. It's another nice day. It's over 40 degrees, so for the winter challenge we're out here flying. It's I think it's actually in the 50s today, so really warm for the winter. So the first spot I went to, I couldn't fly because there were too many people there. I wasn't comfortable. So we're out here at the drainage ditch and we're gonna fly that. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this flight footage, and remember to get subscribed so you don't miss the rest of these videos that are coming out in this next month. There's gonna be a lot, so make sure you don't miss them. Get subscribed. So let's get flying. All right, so that flight was cut a little short, but you know, the GoPro took most of the impact as per usual. But we do have a bit of a crooked camera here, so looks like we won't be able to continue flying for today, but we did get a couple good flights in, so I'll have to go back and fix this for the next day that it's above 40 degrees. So I hope you guys enjoyed the flight, and thanks for watching.